Today I've got something truly special to show you. It's a beautiful architect designed property at number 10, View Road in Wentworth Falls. Let's go and have a look. Through this fabulous entry, you're taken into the living room with its floor-to-ceiling windows, soaring ceilings, and it faces north. I love the free-flowing ambience of this property. Behind the formal living room is this divine dining room with stackable glass doors leading out into the garden. This has to be my favourite feature of the home, this open plan kitchen, family and outdoor entertaining area. Look at this kitchen. Look, I don't cook, but I'd be tempted to learn if I had a kitchen like this. This is the most magnificent house if you're an entertainer. Have a look at this. You've got the kitchen through to the family room, through to this covered al fresco area. Look at the size of this. You could have the best parties ever. There are 4 double bedrooms, each with built-in wardrobes, the master boasting a walk-in robe and luxurious private ensuite. Look at this terrific backyard. What I love about this property is on a totally flat block, so great for kids, easy maintenance, totally flat as a pancake. At the rear of the property, for all the boys' toys, here's your double lock-up garage. Now this could be hobby room, a cabana, train sets, you name it. Thanks for having a look at the video of this gorgeous home. Now get on the phone, give me a ring, or come to one of my open for inspections.